Let's crochet some fun spooky skulls. For this project, you're gonna need some yarn. I found this one that has twinkle in it, so it sparkles, which I thought was really cool. I like to use a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'll link this exact one down below, and I'll link some good ones. You definitely want to get the ergonomic ones if you're gonna be making a lot of these, because these will hurt your fingers. To start, we are gonna make a magic circle. So we're going to twist the yarn around your finger, which makes an X. Take your crochet hook and you're gonna go under the first one, over the second one, and twist it, and that will give you a circle. And then we're going to yarn over, loop one, and then I'm gonna chain one again. This will give you that first loop. Then we are going to do 9 double crochets. So we're going to yarn over and double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if your loop starts to get a little wiggly, you can pull it. That's the part of the magic crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops, or 5 double crochets. So then I'm going to do a 6th double crochet, 7 double crochet, 8 double crochet, and then 9. So it should kind of look like that. And then we are going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are going to double crochet back into our magic ring. This is gonna make your first eye socket. So you're gonna go 1, double crochet, like that. So this is gonna be your first eye socket. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna double crochet back into this loop again. So then 1 double crochet, and this guy kind of makes the nose. And then we're going to do 5 chain again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can choose to pull your magic ring tight here right now, or you can wait for later, it doesn't really matter. So you're just gonna take it, thumb here, and just pull this string, which will pull all of that together. So that'll make that nice and tight. And close up that. You're gonna go into your first actual stitch on the skull face, and you're just going to slip stitch into that one. So just pull 1 through, boop, just like that. And then we're gonna chain 1. This one doesn't count. You're gonna go back in through the stitch that you had before, and you're gonna single crochet. So you're going to single crochet. And you're going to single crochet all the way around till you reach the next eye socket. So we just did 1. So then we're gonna do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then around the eye socket, we're going to do 6 single crochets, but they're gonna go around it. So we're gonna loop in that eyeball, pull through, and single crochet. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that'll give the eye kind of some depth here. So then for his teeth, we're gonna go in through his nose and just do a slip stitch, boop, and then we're gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna triple crochet, so yarn over twice, and we're gonna go back in here and go 1, 2, 3 for a triple crochet, and we're gonna do that twice. So then 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna slip stitch back in that, back in there, and that'll make his little teeth. And then we're gonna single crochet 6 back around his other eyeball. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're just gonna find that stitch there, push him through, and then you're just gonna slip stitch, boop, and there you go. I'm gonna pull his little top tighter right now just to get that tight. So you just pull this string to tighten your magic ring, and there you go. There is your skull with his little eyes and his teeth, and he is ready to be made into something bigger or just used like this, however you want.